In this lecture, we will discuss about cell cycle, different stages of mitosis and types of cytokinesis. Each eukaryotic cell follows the cell cycle during the time of cell division. Cell cycle is divided into two parts, interphase and M phase. Interphase is further divided into three phases, G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. M phase is further divided into two parts, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. As shown in the diagram, G1 is the first growth phase, which is the longest phase of cell cycle. In this phase, RNA and proteins are synthesized. S phase is the second longest phase of the cell cycle. In S phase, DNA replication and histone protein synthesis takes place. Beside this, centriole is duplicated in cytoplasm of animal cells. G2 phase is the third longest phase of the cell cycle. G2 is second growth phase in which protein synthesis takes place. M phase is the shortest phase of cell cycle as it consumes least time. In M phase, cell divides into two daughter cells. Time period of cell cycle vary from species to species. For example, human cell cycle take 24 hours, in which G1 phase take 12 hours, S phase take 6 hours, G2 phase take 4 hours and M phase take 2 hours time, while yeast cell cycle take only 90 minutes to complete. In M phase, karyokinesis is further divided into four phases, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Two types of cytokinesis occurs after karyokinesis. Cell furrow method is found in animal cells and cell plate method is found in plant cells. Next, we will discuss about the mitosis. Term mitosis was given by Walter Fleming in 1882. In mitosis, one cell produces two daughter cells upon one complete cell division. In mitosis, number of chromosomes in daughter cells remain same as of parent cell. Mitosis is found in both haploid and diploid cells as shown in the diagram. Mitosis is responsible for somatic growth in all multicellular organisms. In plants, mitosis takes place in meristem tissue. Root tips of plants are suitable for the study of mitosis. In laboratory, mainly the root tips of onion and maize plant are used for the study of mitosis. In mitosis, first of all, we will discuss about karyokinesis. As we described earlier, karyokinesis is further divided into four phases, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase is the longest phase of karyokinesis in mitosis. As shown in the diagram, chromatin threads start condensing to form chromosomes. Nucleolus appears to be attached with an OR of chromosome. Each chromosome splits up into two chromatids and remain attached at centromere. Both centrioles make astral rays. Astral rays and centriole are combinedly called as aster. Now both aster starts moving towards opposite poles and start spindle formation. Spindle fibers are made up of tubulin protein. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, Golgi and ER get disappeared. In metaphase, chromosomes spread throughout the whole cytoplasm due to disappearance of nuclear membrane. Chromosome condensation get completed and now chromosomes can be seen and studied under microscope. Each chromosome has two sister chromatids. Spindle fibers get attached with the centromeres of chromosomes as shown in the diagram and align and arrange them at equator or middle of the cell. Now this is called metaphase plate as shown in the diagram. Anaphase is the smallest phase of mitosis. Each centromere splits up longitudinally, which result in separation of both chromatids. As the spindle fibers contract, chromatids start moving from equator to opposite poles as shown in the diagram. Shape of chromosomes can be studied in anaphase. Telophase is the last phase of karyokinesis. Chromosomes make clusters on opposite poles and uncoiled into chromatin fibers. A nuclear membrane reformed around each cluster of chromatin fibers. As a result, two daughter nuclei are formed. Nucleolus, Golgi and ER get reappeared. Spindle fibers get disappeared as shown in the diagram. Now we will discuss about the cytokinesis. Cytoplasm is divided in this process. As a result, two daughter cells are formed. It starts in telophase stage of karyokinesis. Cell furrow method is found in animal cell division. As shown in the diagram, a cleavage furrow appears on plasma membrane which deepens gradually and meet at the cell center. As a result, two daughter cells are formed. Cell plate method is found in plant cell division. Plant cells have cell wall around the plasma membrane. As shown in the diagram, Golgi body develop vesicles which start accumulating at the equator. They show outward growth and make a lateral wall. Now these vesicles fuse with each other to make cell plate. It separates the two daughter cells. Later, this cell plate transformed into middle lamella. During cytokinesis, organelles as mitochondria and plastids distribute randomly into daughter cells. In some organisms, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis. As a result, a multinucleated condition is developed. In animals, this multinucleated condition is called as syncytium, as in epidermis of nematodes. In plants, this multinucleated condition is called as cenocytic condition, as in lower fungi and in liquid endosperm of coconut.